Starting around 02 November 2023, Bitcoin Cash truly is exchanging at $243.42 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.51% in for the most part most recent 60 minutes, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. BCH especially has an exceptionally all-out market cap of $4,758,315,826, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $233,097,755. This in a real sense makes Bitcoin Cash, BCH, essentially positioning at 18 in the cryptographic money market in a genuinely enormous manner. On the off chance that you fundamentally are a crypto financial backer and considering what is the Bitcoin Cash cost expectation end of 2023, what will Bitcoin Cash for the most part be somewhat worth in 2023 in a very huge manner? Is Bitcoin Cash a truly wise speculation or essentially worth purchasing in 2023? Will BCH cost generally outperform its unsurpassed high, or so they in every way that really matters, thought? These are our Bitcoin Cash cost expectations for BCH'(S) future, or so they really thought. Bitcoin Cash, BCH, value expectation 2023, as per the Bitcoin Cash estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the BCH cost fundamentally is supposed to sort of cross a truly normal value level of $259.46, the normal exceptionally least value worth of Bitcoin Cash, toward the finish of the ongoing year, ought to really be $248.26 in a significant manner. Besides, BCH can by and large arrive at a genuinely greatest value level of $285.43 in a for the most part significant manner. Bitcoin Cash, BCH, value expectation August 2023. With respect to August 2023, Bitcoin Cash cost really is gauged to generally arrive at a fundamentally the most reduced cost of $214.92 in an unobtrusive manner. The BCH cost could in a real sense arrive at an especially most extreme cost of $241.78, with the by and large normal expected cost around $235.06, showing that besides BCH can fundamentally arrive at a greatest value level of $285.43 in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin Cash, BCH, value expectation September 2023. Concerning September 2023, Bitcoin Cash cost explicitly is estimate to truly arrive at an outright most reduced cost of $228.57, showing how Bitcoin Cash, BCH, value expectation August 2023. With respect to August 2023, Bitcoin Cash cost in every way that really matters is conjectured to arrive at a kind of the least cost of $214.92 in an extremely significant manner. The BCH cost could essentially arrive at a really most extreme cost of $253.53, with the sort of typical expected cost around $239.77 in a truly significant manner. Bitcoin Cash, BCH, value gauge October 2023. The Bitcoin Cash, BCH, cost for October 2023 may explicitly arrive at least worth of $235.61, while the essentially greatest gauge cost for the most part is around $263.12 in an in every practical sense, large way. The especially normal cost for BCH basically will be fundamentally anticipated to truly reach $244.56 in October 2023 in a quite enormous way. Bitcoin Cash value estimate November 2023. In November 2023, the essentially most extreme cost for Bitcoin Cash could explicitly stretch around $275.35, showing how the by and large normal cost for BCH certainly anticipated to sort of reach $244.56 in October 2023, or so they fundamentally thought. Moreover, the minimum cost of BCH in November 2023 generally is $242.94, with a truly normal cost of $251.90, showing that will BCH cost especially outperform its record-breaking extremely high in a truly significant manner. Bitcoin Cash value estimate December 2023. In December 2023, the truly most extreme cost for Bitcoin Cash could really stretch around $285.43, which explicitly is very critical. Moreover, the minimum cost of BCH in December 2023 certainly is $248.26, with a truly normal cost of $259.46, which is genuinely huge. Bitcoin Cash commonly passed value examination in the sort of beyond 24 hours. The crypto truly has been especially diminished by 0.83% in its kind of current worth, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Assuming that we certainly look at the ongoing business sector cap of the BCH with yesterday's, you can in a real sense see that the market cap especially is likewise down, so the BCH cost could especially arrive at in every way that really matters, most extreme cost of $253.53, with the kind of typical expected cost around $239.77, which is very huge. Bitcoin Cash certainly is confronting a genuinely difficult time jumping aboard with especially other crypto coins, or so they generally thought. The BCH truly is down to nearly 4% in the for the most part most recent 7 days, or so they explicitly thought. The coin basically is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for genuinely past beautiful few days. The coin could by and large have areas of strength for certainly at the same time. We don't especially feel that it would a productive resource in genuinely present moment, so moreover. The minimum cost of BCH in December 2023 certainly is $248.26, with a sort of typical cost of $259.46 in a kind of enormous manner. Nonetheless, after the contrasting the sort of current cost and recent days' cost history, it most certainly is seen that Bitcoin Cash by and large has expanded 44.692% in its worth in every practical sense, significant way. The by and large normal exceptionally least cost for the month is $130.31, while really most extreme certainly normal cost basically was $134.63, which in a real sense is very critical. This suggests that this coin especially is a reasonable resource and another expansion to essentially your arrangement of coins for fundamentally long haul, or so they especially thought. The 90 days cost change for the most part is around 45.85%, and the cost essentially circled from a by and large least fundamentally normal cost of $125.38 to extremely greatest truly normal cost of $134.83 in every practical sense, recent days in a significant way. In sort of most recent 4 months Bitcoin Cash certainly has shown a developing pattern, which truly is very critical. Hence, we by and large think that comparative pieces of the market generally were very famous at that period, or so they sort of thought. As per without a doubt the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Bitcoin Cash in every way that really matters is expanded from 4 months, showing how assuming you are a crypto financial backer and considering what sort of is the Bitcoin Cash cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Bitcoin Cash for the most part be fundamentally worth in 2023, which truly is genuinely huge. The exchanging volume comprises a crucial job in its cost, or so they most certainly thought. The coin by and large is up by 58.28%, with the very most extreme for the most part normal cost of the coin